Hello, this is a very quick video about how to put a canopy on one of our model aeroplanes from the Vintage Model Company. If you'd like to learn how to do this, then stick around. Okay, so there are a lot of different canopy styles out there on different model aircraft, but this guide should provide you with a pretty decent idea of how to do the most popular style. This is the plane we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Messerschmitt 109 from the Vintage Model Company's beginner-orientated Magnificent Flying Machines range. You might notice that this one looks a little different, and that's because it's being converted to radio control using a micro-geared motor, a Spectrum brick receiver with inbuilt servos, and a speed controller. Anyway, back to the canopy. You will need a few things to get this started. You will need PVA glue, the canopy itself, a glue stick, a craft knife, and scissors. Optionally, you might also want to get some paint and a paintbrush to finish the cockpit interior. This is up to you, but I find it adds a little more character and realism to the aircraft. You can go to town with the styling or leave it very simple. It's really up to you. Next, you'll want to cut the canopy away from the flashing. These plastic parts are vacuum formed and therefore need some careful trimming. Test fit the piece and then make adjustments. Quick tip, I find that a pencil can be used to mark the plastic. It doesn't leave much behind, but you can see a faint line which can be referenced when cutting later on. Next, it's glue time. Another tip is to carefully sand the contact area of the canopy to increase the surface area and therefore the glue's gripping power. PVA might not seem like the most obvious choice of glue, but I like it as it doesn't risk fogging the transparent plastic. This is a technique scale modelers sometimes use on plastic models. If necessary, you might want to create a frame around the glazing. From referencing images of the real plane online, you can take strips of tissue and fix them to the plastic with a glue stick. With that, you can admire the finished result. Nice! Okay, that's about it for this week. Thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, then click like, subscribe for more, and check out our website. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.